Dealing with a pipe burst can be a great inconvenience to the golf club, with operational as well as financial consequences. That's why I'm glad that Krausz provides me with pipe repair products that get the repair job done faster and easier, so we can return to normal operation as soon as possible. Take the HYMAX 2 for example. It's a stab-type coupling with only 2 bolts to close.
The HYMAX 2 has a wide working range. You can easily flip its gasket in or out in order to accommodate different pipe diameters and materials. And its top-facing bolts help me get in and out of the ditch much faster without the need for underdigging. For me, the HYMAX 2 is the default repair product.
When there's a need to absolutely prevent any axial pipe motion, my product of choice is HYMAX Grip.
This sturdy restraint coupling joins and restrains pipes of different types and diameters and saves me the use of thrust blocks. HYMAX Grip has a dual sealing system, a unique universal gripping system suitable for both metal and plastic pipes, and a radial closing mechanism that holds the pipe firmly, keeping the same distance between the pipes.
And when there's a need for a fast, simple, and inexpensive coupling solution, I use HYJOINT,
which is a complete line of dedicated range couplings,
joining IPS PVC and steel pipes of the same diameter.
They require no disassembly, enabling the product to be installed virtually in seconds. The HYMAX Versa is a unique wraparound coupling that gives an excellent solution for either join or repair situations.
All in all, Krausz repair products give a complete range of solutions for repairing and connecting pipes of all types.
HYMAX. Repair the past. Connect the future.